Vietnam? If you were someone who grew up in the late 20th century, chances are you know Vietnam well, a small but remarkable country nestled in Southeast Asia. What makes Vietnam truly extraordinary is its victory over three formidable enemies: France, the United States, and even China. Despite all the difficulties, Vietnam stood firm and won. Vietnam's unique S-shape allows it to showcase an astonishing diversity of landscapes, from breathtaking mountains to verdant valleys and serene rice paddies, to mesmerizing coastlines stretching along the brilliant East Sea, basking in the warm, tropical sunshine. This captivating array of natural beauty has made Vietnam one of the most attractive tourist destinations in Southeast Asia today. Hi, I'm Josh from Travel Reviews. If you're ready to start your adventure in Vietnam, you absolutely don't want to miss this video. I have 15 essential tips and tricks to share with you for your trip to Vietnam. So let's dive in and get started. Number 1. When is the best time to visit Vietnam? Vietnam has a tropical climate. The best time to visit Vietnam is from May to late August, in the summer when the weather is dry, sunny, and without storms. It's the perfect opportunity to hit the beach. Whether you choose Quy Nhon, Binh Dinh, Nha Trang, or the picturesque Ha Long Bay. From September to November, you can expect increased rainfall and cooler temperatures in the northern regions of Vietnam. This is the perfect time to explore Hoi An or Hanoi, soaking up the tranquil atmosphere and vibrant cultural scene. December passed. The north experienced a cold winter. If you visit Vietnam during this time, consider venturing to Sapa or emerging destinations like Binh Lu, Quang Ninh, where you can witness snow-covered landscapes and awe-inspiring mountain vistas. Also, if your trip falls in January or February, be sure to check the lunar calendar for Vietnamese New Year and Lunar New Year. Especially on January 1st, lunar calendar, Vietnamese families all gather at home to celebrate. No one goes to work, so be sure to stock up on supplies before the celebration to avoid going hungry. Did you find these insights helpful? These are insider tips that are often overlooked but can make a big difference in your experience in Vietnam. And here's another wise tip. Go to your local pharmacy and buy some Tao Sao Vanger products to prevent itching during your travels. Trust me, it's a game changer. In February, after Tet, you will find locals flocking to temples like Perfume Pagoda and Bai Din Pagoda to pray for prosperity. And if you want to explore, Ha Giang, Western Vietnam, and Ho Chi Minh City offer plenty of attractive destinations at affordable prices and stunning views. Anytime you decide to visit is perfectly fine. Number 2. How to get to Vietnam. Getting to Vietnam depends on your starting point. The country boasts two major international airports in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. If you're coming from neighboring countries such as Cambodia, Laos, or China, you can opt for a land border crossing. Travelers from the United States or Europe may require a connecting flight. Before embarking on your journey, be sure to check the visa requirements for Vietnam. And if you happen to be in San Francisco, you're in luck. Vietnam Airlines offers direct flights to Vietnam multiple times per week, making your travel plans more convenient. Following the COVID-19 epidemic, Vietnam has reopened its borders, welcoming tourists to explore its beauty freely. Rest assured, the country boasts modern healthcare facilities, equipped to handle any health concerns that may arise during your visit. Number 3. Top tourist destinations in Vietnam. Let's start with the charming capital, Hanoi. Known for its historic old quarter and delectable street food, Hanoi is a treasure trove of cultural heritage and exquisite cuisine. Start your day by visiting the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum early in the morning, where you can witness the special flag-raising ceremony, accompanied by the resounding national anthem, precisely at 6 a.m. daily. In the evening, immerse yourself in the enchanting atmosphere of Sword Lake, indulge in delicious ice cream, and embrace the authentic local lifestyle. Next, relaxation awaits at the breathtaking Ha Long Bay, with its majestic limestone islands and emerald waters. The charming port city of Hoi An entices with its ancient architecture and tranquil old town. Vibrant Ho Chi Minh City showcases modern skyscrapers and bustling shopping centers, while preserving important historical landmarks like the Independence Palace and Notre Dame Cathedral. Additionally, Vietnam offers splendid natural wonders such as Moi Nai, Nha Trang, and the Mekong Delta. With a blend of history, culture, natural beauty, and distinctive cuisine, Vietnam is a must-visit destination. In this video, I won't be diving into specific tourist destinations because you can easily find those on various websites and other YouTube videos. Instead, I want to provide you with valuable tips and the essence of the Vietnam travel experience. Number 4. Must-have items for your Vietnam adventure. When packing for your Vietnam trip, it's important that you keep things light and focus on the essentials. Remember to bring comfortable walking shoes, a sturdy backpack, light clothing, a wide-brimmed hat, sunscreen, sunglasses, and other personal items. If you travel in the rainy season, you can easily buy raincoats from local Vietnamese stores at an affordable price, saving you precious luggage space for other essentials. And don't forget insect repellent. You can bring it from home or try the famous local product called Golden Star Cow while you're in Vietnam. Also, be sure to bring a power adapter to charge your electronic devices, a reliable power bank for on-the-go charging, a cell phone for communication and navigation, and a can of water. Reusable to stay hydrated throughout your journey. If you're watching this video, chances are you're an experienced traveler and already know the importance of these essentials. So make sure to tick them off your packing list and get ready for an incredible adventure in Vietnam. Number 5. Currency matters in Vietnam. In Vietnam, the local currency is the Vietnamese dong, VND. It's important to exchange your money when you arrive in the country. While you can find ATMs in major cities, it's recommended to check with your bank before your trip to ensure that your card will work smoothly. While credit cards are accepted at some establishments, it's always a good idea to carry some cash with you. Currently, the exchange rate in Vietnam is approximately 1 USD equal, signed 23,482.50 VND. Although there might be slight fluctuations, it's not something to worry about. With such a favorable rate, you can easily estimate the cost of your travel in Vietnam after watching this video. So, be prepared and have the right currency on hand for a hassle-free experience. Number 6. Choosing accommodation in Vietnam. Vietnam offers a wide array of accommodation options, catering to all budgets and preferences. If you're on a shoestring budget, hostels are a popular choice, especially in bustling cities. Prices can range from $11 to $43 per night, depending on the room type and occupancy. For a touch of luxury, Vietnam boasts a range of hotels across various price points, with rates varying from $108 to $500 per night, depending on the hotel and amenities offered. For a truly immersive experience, consider a homestay in rural areas, where you can delve into Vietnamese culture firsthand. Homestays are incredibly affordable, with prices ranging from $4 to $21 per room. When seeking a homestay, don't hesitate to enlist the help of friendly locals to ensure an authentic and trustworthy experience. You'll find that many Vietnamese people are hospitable and speak English fluently, making communication a breeze. If you prefer a more guided experience, consider hiring a local tour guide through platforms like Upwork or other websites. Vietnamese youth are dynamic and well-versed in multiple languages, so navigating Vietnam without prior knowledge of Vietnamese won't be a problem. Number 7. Means of transport in Vietnam. Vietnam offers a variety of transportation options to suit your travel needs. From buses, coaches and cars to motorbikes, trains and planes, you have a lot to choose from. Buses are a popular means of transport in cities, but they may not be the ideal way to get to other areas. If you are ready for a long journey, choosing a sleeper bus from 20 to 45 seats. Vietnam Car is a popular choice for long trips of backpackers. Specialized car services serve more and more passengers, offering options such as sleeper vans for long journeys. For exact information, you can go to the bus stations in each locality, or ask the locals for more details. While it may take longer than flying, taking the bus is a cost-effective alternative. For those with limited time, domestic flights are readily available and provide a convenient way to travel longer distances. The service is generally good, and you'll be surprised at how affordable rides are, often under $300 depending on your destination. When you want to explore scenic routes and attractions, consider renting a motorbike. It's a popular choice among young travelers in Vietnam, and it adds a fun element of freedom to your itinerary. Just make sure you're familiar with local traffic laws and always wear a helmet for safety. When coming to Vietnam, the main means of transportation of people here is definitely motorbikes, and a lot of motorbikes circulate on the road. Traffic is a bit chaotic at times, but it's also very safe. I remind you in advance to get there, you won't be shocked with the motorbike culture here. Oh, and there's one more thing. If you find yourself in Saigon or Hanoi, you can take advantage of the Grab app to book motorbikes for getting around the city. It's a convenient and enjoyable experience, allowing you to effortlessly pay for your ride and select your destination, completely eliminating any concerns about being overcharged. This little secret is known mostly to expats who have been living here for a while, but today I'm letting you in on it. Pretty useful information, right? And why am I so knowledgeable about this? Well, our team happens to have a member of Vietnamese, so you can rest assured that the information provided is 100% accurate. Number 8. Safety tips when traveling in Vietnam. Vietnam is a safe country to travel to, but it's important that you take precautions to ensure your safety. Some safety tips when traveling in Vietnam include being aware of your surroundings, not carrying a lot of cash, and avoiding unlicensed taxis. You should also carry a copy of your passport and keep your valuables in a safe place. Number 9. Vietnamese food and drink must-try. Vietnamese cuisine is renowned for its use of fresh ingredients and bold flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. There are a few dishes that you absolutely have to try when visiting Vietnam. First on the list is pho, a flavorful and comforting noodle soup that can be found at local shops or even in high-end hotels. Prices can range from $1.50 to $5 depending on where you decide to indulge in this delicious dish. Next up is the iconic banh mi, a Vietnamese baguette sandwich that will blow your mind. Trust me when I say that for just around $1, you'll be treated to an explosion of flavors that will leave you craving for more. If you're looking for something grilled and savory, you can't go wrong with bun cha. This dish combines succulent grilled meat with fresh vegetables and a mouth-watering dipping sauce. You can also quench your thirst by indulging in a refreshing dessert called chi at the local markets. Priced at around $1, chi is a popular sweet treat made from beans and served with various toppings like jelly and crushed ice. Loved by people of all ages, it's a delightful and cooling experience that you shouldn't miss. While bánh chưng, traditionally enjoyed during the Vietnamese New Year, Tet, has made its way to the breakfast table year-round. You can savor this delicious sticky rice cake anytime you please. Don't be hesitant to explore the street food scene, as it often houses hidden gems. Some of the best eateries are the small, old establishments that have been serving up delectable dishes for generations. Here's a tip. Look for places crowded with children or students. They know where to find the most mouth-watering treats, and you can be sure that the food will be top-notch. And let's not forget about Vietnamese coffee, known for its robust and sweet flavor. It's a true delight for coffee enthusiasts. If you're looking for a refreshing beverage, Vietnamese beer is also incredibly popular. Take the opportunity to immerse yourself in the vibrant beer culture of Vietnam by grabbing a few friends and exploring the diverse range of flavors available. Another thing to mention is that Vietnamese men often like to smoke pipe tobacco as a hobby. It is not banned in Vietnam, but is a distinct cultural tradition that can be observed in roadside bars around the country. If you're curious for a more intense experience, you might consider giving it a try. However, it is important to note that it may not be suitable for everyone, mainly appealing to men. Number 10. Culture of behavior in Vietnam. Vietnam has a unique culture, and it is important to respect local customs and traditions. Some tips on cultural etiquette when traveling in Vietnam include dressing modestly, taking off your shoes before entering someone's home, and asking permission before taking a photo of someone. It is important to be aware of cultural differences when it comes to personal space and physical contact. Number 11. Culture of behavior in Vietnam. Vietnam has a rich and vibrant culture, and it's essential to show respect for local customs and traditions during your visit. Here are some valuable tips on cultural etiquette to keep in mind. Dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites or attending formal events. Remember to take off your shoes before entering someone's home as a sign of respect. Some local customs and traditions in Vietnam include bowing when greeting someone, using both hands when giving or receiving something. If you want to take a photo of someone, always ask for their permission first, as it shows consideration for their privacy. During meals, it's customary for the youngest person in the family to invite the elders to start eating. Vietnamese people love to gather their friends for shared meals either at home or in restaurants. If you receive an invitation to someone's home, it means they genuinely appreciate you, so seize the opportunity to embrace and understand the local culture. Number 12. Top shopping destination in Vietnam. Vietnam is known for shopping, with a wide range of products available at affordable prices. Some of the top shopping destinations in Vietnam include Hanoi's Old Quarter, Ho Chi Minh City's Ben Thanh Market, and Hoi An Night Market. It is important to bargain when shopping in Vietnam to ensure that you get a fair price. Number 13. Nightlife in Vietnam. Vietnam boasts a vibrant nightlife, packed with bars and clubs in major cities. In particular, Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi are known for their sophisticated rooftop bars and lively live music venues. If you're looking for an enjoyable evening experience, exploring the local bar scene is a must, soaking up the energetic atmosphere and enjoying life's diverse offerings. Vietnam Night. Number 14. Visa requirements for Vietnam. Visa requirements for Vietnam vary depending on your nationality. Some nationalities are exempt from visas for a certain period of time, while others require a visa in advance. It is important to check the visa requirements before you arrive in Vietnam to ensure that you have the required documents. Number 15. Language and communication in Vietnam. The official language of Vietnam is Vietnamese, but English is widely spoken in big cities and tourist areas. You should learn some basic phrases in Vietnamese such as hello and thank you to show respect for the local culture. Here are 15 tips to help you during your travels in Vietnam. Vietnam is a stunning and diverse country that offers a unique and enriching experience for every visitor. It's important to show respect for local customs and traditions while practicing responsible tourism to preserve the environment and support the local community. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll make sure to take the time to answer all of your inquiries. Thank you for watching the video, and please support us by subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification button below. Goodbye, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.